Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Basim's father wanted to build a compound wall in his plot. For that, he was supposed to cut a tree at the boundary. To cut the tree, he fastened a rope in a big rock onto the top of the tree at an angle of 45 degrees from the ground. First, he cut at a point D on the tree such that tree bent and touched the ground at the distance of 6.7 meter from base of tree, making an angle of 60 degrees. Find the distance of the rock to the point where the fallen wooden log met the ground. Now to find this, let's try to visualize the situation. Now this is the tree, and it's said that the rope is fastened at the top of the tree with a big rock tied at the other end of it, and it is resting 45 degrees from the ground, so it must be something like this. And this angle is said to be 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Next, it is said that he cut at a point D on the tree such that the tree bends and touched the ground at a distance 6.7 meter from the base. So he must have cut somewhere over here so that this tree has touched the ground 6.7 meter away from the base at 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees and this is 6.7 meters from here to here. Now with this information we have to find the distance to the rock where the fallen wood log met the ground. So we have to find this distance. Now let's name this. This is D. Let this be A, B, C. D is here, and let this be E. Now we know, since tan 45 is equal to 1, we can say that for angle C, we can say AB, that is opposite upon tan is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite upon adjacent, tan 45 equal to opposite upon adjacent equal to AB upon BC equal to 1. Therefore, we have AB equal to BC. So we have height of the tree equal to BC. Okay. So we also know that tan 60 is equal to root 3, and that is equal to, again we can say opposite upon hypotenuse. For this 60 degree angle we will have tan 60 equal to BD upon BE. This point here is E. So BD is, we don't know, BE we know, therefore we get BD equal to BE multiplied by root 3, which is equal to 6.7 multiplied by root 3. Instead of root 3 we can write 1.732. Let's perform this calculation. 1.732 multiplied by 6.7 is 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22, 7 7s are 49 plus 2 is 51, 7 1s are 7 plus 5 is 12, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 plus 1 is 19, 6 7s are 42 plus 1 is 43, 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10. So we get 440,611. So we get this as 11.6044. So we get BD equal to 11.604 meters. So let's remove this calculation. Yes, so now what we have is we have BD, and from the same triangle, that is BDE, we can find the length of DE by using cos 60 equal to, we know it as 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, we also know that cos 60 is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So in this case, it is BE upon DE. So we get DE equal to 2 times BE, which is equal to 2 times 6.7. So we get DE equal to 7 2s are 14, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 is 13. So we get 13.4 meter. Now from the diagram we know that since T is cut at point D, since tree is cut at point D, we know BD plus DE is equal to height of tree, which is equal to AB. Therefore we get AB is equal to, BD we found as 11.604 meter and DE we found as 13.4 meter. So if we calculate this, we get 6 plus 4 is 0, 0, 4. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 2. So we get 25.004 meters as height of tree, which is equal to AB. And from above we know that AB is equal to BC, since this is 45 degree. So we have BC. We got measurement of BC as 25.004. Now to find EC, we simply have to subtract BE from BC. So BC minus BE is equal to EC from diagram. Therefore EC equal to, BC is 25.004 minus BE is 6.7 as given. Let's perform this subtraction. 25.004 minus 6.7 is 403. 15 minus 7 is 18. 15 minus 7 is 8 and this is 18. So we get that equal to 18.304. Let me remove this calculation. So from the diagram we know distance of log from the point where fallen wooden log met the ground is equal to EC, which is equal to 18.304 meters. So let's look up the options. Yes, answer is option D.